Hey everyone, Jesse from Sicard RV. Today I'm going to take you through the brand new 2021 Winnebago Revel. Starting on the exterior of the coach, we have a large electric awning with an LED strip built into the awning. We have another LED light, a nice big porch light here, as well as a hidden LED light under the running board. We have an adjustable exterior table. You can actually adjust the height depending on how the motorhome is sitting. And going to the back of the coach, we have the roof ladder, which can be removed and put on anywhere around the coach, and it hooks onto the roof rack up top. Here's the back of the coach, where we have the motorized bed that will go up, allowing lots of room for storage. On the interior of the Winnebago Revel, we have the beautiful Mercedes chassis, the Sprinter chassis, with nice leathers, the dinette area here as well, that can actually seat 4 people comfortably. On the interior of the coach, we have a refrigerator, overhead cabinetry. This large cabinet also works as a bathroom. You have the toilet and shower capability as well. On the kitchen side, we have a stainless steel sink with a metal faucet as well. This is a kind of cool feature. A movable cooktop, which you can put on the counter, you can bring it outside with you, wherever you'd like. More storage underneath, as well as a little bit of pantry storage on the inside here. And as I talked earlier, we do have the electronic bed lift. So this will go right up to the ceiling here, right underneath the AC unit, and you can fit tons of stuff back here. And my favorite feature of this brand new 2021 Winnebago Revel is its 4-wheel drive capability. You can take this coach anywhere you'd like, even off-road. Thank you for watching this tour on the brand new 2021 Winnebago Revel. I'm Jesse from Sicard RV. If you'd like to book an appointment to view this unit, you can email us at sales@sicardrv.com.